Are you gonna be quiet for mommy? Take a film? Yeah? Okay. So I have Leela right here, and she is watching Elmo. She loves Elmo. Today I'm going to do Huda Beauty's DIY lip filler and Botox. We're gonna give it a try. You know, we've been quarantined for some time now, and although I've never done Botox ever in my life, your girl, you see this? She needs it. I need Botox. Okay, so we're gonna try this and we're gonna see if it works. So let's just get this started. Guys, this video is so informal. So I've already pre-mixed everything in here. It just has banana, which is has great potassium, vitamin A, and basically that means that it's going to hydrate your skin. Also has yogurt. Yogurt is obviously just milk, which that has lactic acid that is going to basically remove any dead skin cells. And then the last ingredient is honey. So honey is an anti-inflammatory, so if you're feeling like puffy, it's just gonna calm everything down. So I've already mixed everything. I'm not sure the measurements of each ingredient. I just kind of eyeballed it. 1 banana. I did half of a yogurt that was in one of those like kid pouches. And then I did maybe like a spoonful of honey. I'm not sure. Okay, so I'm just gonna dive in, put this all over my face, and we're gonna see what happens. Leela is probably gonna freak out. So I didn't even smash the banana properly, so we're gonna see how this works. If the queen says this works, then it should work. She is the queen of beauty. So, you know what she said? Get in there deep with the banana. Just put it. Put it. Banana, yeah. It's falling. You know, you're desperate when you have banana chunks on your face. Don't forget the neck. I take some of these like cotton pads and put them all over my skin or all over my face so nothing falls and it just absorbs better. Do I look crazy? Yeah? Okay, so I look totally crazy, but the queen says this should work, so guys, it's gonna work. Let me go get something else. I'll be right back. Well, don't mind this banana stain. Okay, so now I'm gonna take some toothpaste and I'm going to put that all over my lips, and we're gonna see if this gives me some nice plumpy, juicy lips. Okay, so now I look like a complete crazy person, I understand, but we're just gonna wait 10 minutes and see if this works. So I'm gonna actually set my timer. We're gonna let this soak in and I will be right back. Definitely feel my skin being so tight. Literally, I'm sure this is how Botox feels. Like, you know, you can't move your face, you don't have any expressions. I'm sure as you can see me now, I almost have no expressions. I'm trying to laugh, but it's really hard. Oh my God, and this toothpaste, you can use any toothpaste, just needs to be some kind of peppermint, refreshing. You will feel it tingly, and oh my God, you guys, this might be the new thing. It is so tight. Oh my God, this is amazing. I might not have to get Botox after this quarantine. Whew. I added one more here because, oh my God, this is gonna be so difficult. Maybe I used the wrong kind of cotton pads. Definitely don't use these type of cotton pads. Ooh. That one came off good. You know what I think it was? These cotton pads would have been perfect. I just ripped them in two so that I had more and I used less. Ooh. I'm gonna go clean the rest of this off and I will be right back and let you guys know the results. I wiped all of this off. Less of a wrinkle. I have no crow's feet, barely. I must say, my lips feel so great. They feel amazing. I feel like they're like minty fresh. And I would say they are a little bit more plumpy. How long will it last? I'm not sure. I'm gonna take a little bit of cream. This is just my Kiehl's facial cream, and I'm going to put this all over because I don't want my skin to be dry. I feel so refreshed. My lips look great. Guys, give this a try. It's not coming from me. The queen of beauty said it herself. So you must try it. My skin feels much more plumpy. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, or if you found it entertaining, if you liked it, enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see next. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will be back with more videos. I will see you later. Bye. Definitely don't need Botox anymore. Look at these lips. Filler or not?